Okay, welcome CS folks. This isn't really a warm-up, and you don't necessarily need to be watching this if you know what's going on. You're supposed to go to Edmodo, so I'm going to go to Edmodo and sign in to Edmodo. I'm signed in here in Edmodo, and you go to the right folder, which is Programming Essentials, and then look for skeleton note called math expressions, and then we're going to download that, and you should put that in your home directory or on, save it to your Dropbox or wherever you want to save it. I'm going to put it on the desktop for now, and then I'm going to open it in my favorite word processing word processing software package program. And we talked about that last day about what that might be. It doesn't matter, but I'm going to open it. I right-click there, and then open with your favorite thing. And there's a whole bunch of choices. Usually, my favorite is OpenOffice, but there's this new thing called LibreOffice, which is a nice one, or Word is good as well. Okay, the idea here, and I'm going to put this on half the screen. I can do that because my machine is Windows 7, I think, or Vista or something like that. And I'm going to go View, Zoom, so we can see a little more of this. And I'm just going to get you going. I'm not actually going to read all this to you, but the whole idea is we're going to talk about math expressions here, and you're going to fill out this table, and it tells you exactly what to do in here. But what I'm going to do is find ready. So I got ready on there. Yep, there it is. Get ready going. Put it in the other half. File, new, HSA console, and I'm going to call this math expressions. And then it's ready to go. So, I mean, when you copy the code fragments, it should look okay. It doesn't look awesome. Hit the indent. You can run it. And what it does is you're supposed to be able to interpret this. This saves a memory location. What does this do? This next line, number equals 12 plus 17. Well, this calculates 12 plus 17 and assigns it to the number memory location. That's what that second line does. And c.println number, well, it's going to print out whatever the answer to this calculation was that was stored in memory, 29. And if you had to get a calculator for that, man, you shouldn't be taking computer science. So the output probably is going to be 29. I'm guessing. Let's just that's a wild guess there, but let's run it. Oh, 29. Fantastic. And then you go through and you fill out this, and if you don't know what that does, you can ask a neighbor or ask me, or even leave it blank and see what happens at the end. But the idea is go through these code fragments. Notice you don't need to delete everything. One thing that's nice about this, if I wanted to comment this out, edit comment range, bam, now it's still in your program like you did it, but it's a comment. It won't get run. So if I were to run this, nothing's going to happen. Okay? And then you can run these code fragments. Read the little notes to the side. It says a spot in the computer's memory set aside for the integer number, blah, 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 blah. Read this carefully. Go slow. This is today's stuff. Oh, remember to save it at the end. You thought I was done there, didn't you? I'm not. Remember to save it at the end. And your program. Program in the note.